email sequence with Jasper.ai. On the main page, you will choose Create Content on the left side and go to the library. In the library, you will go with the content marketing. Oh my god. You will go with the field marketing and find over here email sequence, and you will click on the use button. You can change a brand voice or language, but I will go with these, and you can type in the goal of your sequence, or you can just go with AI. So I will type in drive engagement and increase sales. Click on the next over here and outline. And the outline you can give it, or the AI can just write it down, and click on the next button. And after that, you'll click on the generate now, and it will give you a full email sequence with different emails and different options in them. If you don't like any of these emails, you can just rewrite them, highlight them like this, and ask Jasper if he can improve the writing. And Jasper will rewrite it overall and replace it with the original text. This is how to create email sequence with Jasper.ai. See you in the next video.